So let's make sure those ears are working really well. And I'd like to turn mine on. So let's see. Turn your ears on.
Oh, my ears are on.
Turn those volumes up to high. Are your ears turned up to high, Everly? Well, I have a sound for you. And let's see if you can figure out what this sound is. What sound did we have in that?
Car.
We had a car. Whoop. We had a car sound. What are some of the sounds that you've heard made by the car? Honk, 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 honk. Everybody try their honking sound. Honk, 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 honk. Now, if I was going to drive a car, last week we tried this. We used our car signal, and it looked like this. Can everybody pretend they're driving a car? And circle all around. Wow, Reese, you remembered really well. So we have to drive our car all around. Sometimes our car makes the honking sounds. Can anybody think of any other sounds they make?
What other sounds are there?
That's a really good one. Meep, meep. A little car might make a meep, meep sound. Try that. Meep, meep. Sometimes when my car is in the rain, it goes like this. You're right, when it rains, wipers make that sound. Well, I have a different set of sounds for us to listen
And when
to.
you put on your raincoat, we go outside and you get on a raincoat hat.
Yeah, so maybe we should put on our raincoats. With our raincoat hats on. Don't forget the buckle underneath. And then we can make our rain sounds for our cars. Well, what are these sounds?
All aboard!
Yeah.
What sound was that?
Train.
It was a train. You got it right, Everly. It was a train.
Look, what
So, let's see if we hear any more train sounds. I was trying to get the volume softer, but it doesn't appear to want to go softer. So, let's see. If we have our train, let's see what other sounds that train makes. I know. Wow. We have people remembered. They remembered their wheels.
You sit down on us.
Yes, you have to sit down in the seat. And I really remembered that our train has a woo sound, and it makes one of those two sounds. So now,
When you
yeah, on the train track.
when boys knows when your seatbelt is on.
You're right. So let's make our choice. You can use either.
When my mom went to the party and I done come to the party, my daddy took us to the museum and I went to the party.
Awesome. So you can decide if you want to go over to our reading area as a train or a car. And maybe you do something differently than your mommy does or your person with you does today. So let's see. I'm going to head over. And when you're ready, you can come and join me in the reading area.
Are you going to be a trainer? Are you going to be? We want to be a trainer car. A trainer car.
Wow, you were a train. Wow, I could tell that was a train. And everybody got over here differently. And that's the great thing about these kinds of classes. When you're moving through music and when kids are moving this way, they're really merging their outside, what they see and what they hear, with their inside, what they think and what they feel worlds together. And that's really where we form imagination and develop artistry. From little on up, we can do that. And that's where great artists start. It's in these simple activities. We're going to review our story, our poem today. And remember, we used our car symbol this last time. It went like this. This little car is driving up a hill, up, 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 up. This little car is driving down a hill, down, 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 down. This little car is driving round and round, 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 round. This little car is ready to stop. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Wow, that was an excellent job. We are going to do this one more time, but I think when I drive my car, I need to have something in my hands. So we have something to drive with today. Would you like to have your steering wheel? Would you like to have your steering wheel? Would you like to have your steering wheel? I want you to put your imagination hat on. As you can, this is your steering wheel. We're driving cars. We are all going to drive our cars. And Miss Becky cut off her one pointer fingernail, so it's making it hard to separate our plates. Here we go. So let's try our poem again. And if you notice, we're working with our opposites, our ups and downs. So when we drive up, we're going to make our voice get high. And when we drive down, we're going to drive down. Are you ready? Okay. Ready? This little car is driving up a hill. Up, 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 up. This little car is driving down the hill. Down, 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 down. This little car is driving round and round, 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 round. This little car is ready to stop. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Well, this time, we're going to do this one more time, but we're going to drive like cars. Are you ready? Well, we're going to stand up. And you can drive anywhere you want in this room. Imagine that you're on the road driving your car. Drive your car. All right, ready? This little car is driving up the hill. Up, 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 up. This little car is driving down the hill. Down, 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 down. This little car is driving round and round, 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 round. This little car is ready to stop. 1, 2, 3, and stop. I noticed that everybody used their paper plates in a different way. Our steering wheel, Peyton did her steering wheel like this. She was taking a lot of turns. And I made small little movements like this. So everyone drive their car back to where our circle is. We're going
And then hit it.
Yeah, right here. Steering wheels away, steering wheels away. It's time to put our steering wheels away. We'll see them later today. It's time to put our steering wheels away. So, Kendall, we're going to play. I need an assistant with Reese and me to help me. We're going to pass out some egg shakers. Ready? Reese, would you like to help us pass out some egg shakers? Here. Yep. Kendall, you can pass them out too. Two. I need 2. 1 for you and 1 for your mommy. And who else do you? Oh,
Thank you. Can you give one to Peyton's mommy?
Give one to Peyton's mommy and one to Casey's mommy. Here, give this one to Casey's mommy. Oh, that's right. There you go.
Kendall, look, I have one for you and one for me. You have to give that one to someone else.
Here you go. Give that to your mommy. Oh my goodness, Kendall, I don't have one. Thank you so much.
Now you have one.
And now we all have one.
Look, everybody has one.
And we are going to play with our egg shakers. Now, we have been playing with them sitting down, but feel free to try out different sounds they make when they're up high and they're down low, or when you move like this. So let's see what they sound like. What if they like our windshield wipers? What does it sound like when we jump? We jump, jump, jump. Kendall? Does it sound differently when they're on our head? We do it. What about when you're close to your ear? They sound like your ear. Yeah, they sound together. What if you bang them together? Like that?
You bake them together?
Well, we're going to listen to our Buckle Up song, and you can try out all these ideas while we buckle up. Put your seatbelts on. Here we go. Ready? Good.
Me to your favorite part. Click your seatbelt in
Wow,
the
we
place.
should try to shake. That's a very creative idea.
Such an easy thing to do. Click your seatbelt.
Ooh, I know if I've ever thought of that. On your eye? And that's it. Oh my goodness, we've tried so many creative ideas today. We're going to take our egg shakers away. Egg shakers away.